All right, what's up, guys? So Chase and I are going to be shooting 16 down here. That's our goal. We're playing best shot doubles. Someone said we should play worst shot doubles. We're not doing that today. Let's see how this goes. There we go. Nice chaser. Short. All right, we'll take it.
What are we taking?
Okay. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Pretty good. Going horny toad. Chase forgot to film the first one, so let's do it again. Oh, it's bad.
That's much worse than the first one. Oh, it's dry.
Chase. All right. So that's my second one over here. That's the first one. Pretty close. Chase is also close. Knock this one in, Chase.
I guess we're taking yours.
All right. Okay, you missed. Okay, you missed. Why'd you
What do you mean?
Oh.
Yours is better.
All right.
That just won't be part of the. Wait. See?
Good night, Chase. Right towards Amanda. Love it. 250 right there. Bad, Ranger. It's bad, bro. It's bad.
Ready?
Oh, good bid. No way. Oh,
Do what I did.
tough.
I stopped
Good
it.
try. All right, lads. We're parked. Taking a 3. Moving on. Hole 4. See if we can get an ace. That'd be nice. Might wear that tomorrow. Good luck. All right, we got a birdie.
Oh.
Just left. Kick right. Okay. All right, we're getting on action cam here. Down the hill. So basically, Chase and I, we come out here all the time. That's not true. Chase never plays out here. It's an easy course. We were talking last night. I think we can shoot 18. It's a little cold, a little nippy. Chase is more confident for 16. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. I think we can get an ace, maybe an eagle. Chase, tell them what you think. Well, that was good. All right. That's 3 down through 4.
Correct.
All right. It's right there through the middle. Ah.
Yeah.
All right, that's good.
Wow.
Chase with the Buzz OS turnover.
I don't know.
Came out of it early, but that's okay. All right, we had to wait a few minutes to try to find Chase's disc, but we got it now. Hole 6, 250, right up there. Ace opportunity. Okay, Buzz.
What?
Yeah. Go Benny here. Big Benny. A little deep. It's all right.
Kicked. And
Kicked.
it's rolling.
Chase, we're going with yours. Hey, good bid. Good bid.
Yeah, I keep pulling it right.
Did you go right of this?
I went left of it.
You went left of it?
Yeah.
And you still pulled right?
Yeah.
All right, we got hole 7 here, 180. Big forehand guy. That's really
we'll
bad.
make that, we'll make
That's
that.
really bad. All right, you got it, Chase. Oh, sneaky. Kick right. I mean left. All right, we got putts. All right. Chaser vision. Hey, good layup. Good layup. You know, it's a team play.
I'm so bad.
It's all right. Team effort here. There we go. There we go. Wow. We're alive. Do you like flex forehand? Frio. Go ahead. All right. Cool. You try to sneak in the gap?
I tried to, yeah. That almost went in.
I know. Nice one. All right, folks. We're still alive. I almost threw it in for eagle, but we got a tap in birdie up here. Got live action. That's the birdie. There's the basket. All right, we're good to go. Ace opportunity here. I want to lay up though.
That's the line you're going.
Perfect layup.
That line
Yeah.
you're going.
I like the outside gap.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Chase did it. Bounce off. Hood baby. Hood baby. Make all the girls go
Live,
crazy.
baby.
All right. A live action here. Chaser Bob. Boom. Get left. Get down. Woo,
Really
deep.
far.
Hey, good run. E. All right, deliberation time. Mine's right over here behind this bush. Chaser Bob's back there. I'm probably gonna like mine better.
Okay, that's fine.
So.
I was gonna say, you're getting straddled.
Okay. Yeah, you go ahead and get a run first. Yeah. I got the camera, you know? These trees are in my way. Hey, good bid.
I've not made a putt today.
Oh my gosh!
All right,
I sold.
we have to ace.
Yeah. Yeah, Chase. Oh, that's delightful, Derek. came out with like 1,000,000 miles per hour.
I was gonna say, really?
All right, walking up. Chase, how you feel?
Confident.
All right. That's what I like to hear. All right.
I could throw, but I can't.
So we're off pace. We missed hole 3, we missed hole 6, and we missed hole 10. So we need to ace in order to get back on track for 16 down. We're way off pace for 18, but that's okay. If we have 2 aces, that'll really bring us good comfort. I think we can birdie everything going in front of us. The one that scares me is 13, but one of us just has to play for birdie and the other ace run. I think we'll get there. Chase said we're running it. Got the horny toad. So I'm laid up perfectly, Chase. Don't worry, team. Chase is absolutely filthy with an envy. Oh, yeah. Ching!
Dude, that hit chains.
I can't even make this stuff up. Yeah!
I made it fun.
Let's go, baby. Here we go, Chaser.
Boy.
80? That's good. Are we going to Brazos here? Get in the basket!
Holy crap.
I skipped off the island and into the water. Oh my, that was such a good run.
Dude, I
Right. So that's where my drive landed. Chase just brought up a good point. We thought that was both in. It skipped like right there and then just over the wall into the water. We're sitting here. We've now parred 4 holes. So it puts us very far off our pace for 16 down. We're gonna continue to finish out the round because now we need 2 aces to hit our mark. I don't think we're gonna get 2 aces out here, but we'll do the best we can. All right. Yeah. All right, left. Hey, you already know. My viewers love the horny toad.
Go in.
That's so deep.
That is really big.
Okay, Chaser. Okay, Chaser. All right. Hey, we got a putt. All right. All right.
Dude,
Take the camera.
you know what? If you make this is the first take. All right?
This is the first take?
Yeah, like we're cutting that one out.
No. Not cutting anything out.
That's gonna hate a pedestrian.
Yeah, Chase. Good correction, Chase. It's in the hole, Chase. Hey, that's all right.
Still down the hill.
All right, lads, we got a long look here. Let's get a set up behind the basket. Oh, it rolled. All right. See the discs? See the vision? Let's see what happens. What can Chaser Bob do? Bang! All right, snow's really coming down, guys. Need this one. I made a play. All right, Chase. All right, so it's like over there. Chase was in the way. Couldn't see it. You already know. Good. All right, snow's getting real heavy. Chase, how do we shoot?
13 down. I'm terrible at putting.
That may be true. 13 down is true. Missed our goal by 3 strokes. Pretty rough. That's okay. We'll be back out of here in the warmer weather, hopefully, when it's not literally snowing. And we'll get this. We'll get it. Yeah. All right. Go Lone Star.